There was another question asked. Mine was about grinding teeth. If we have a 3-year-old that's grinding the teeth, any suggestions? Yes and no. Yes, in the way that they can learn it as a habit when they're concentrating. It has nothing to do with discomfort in their bodies or something that's being asked too much of. It's a concentration thing. And if you want to, you can use gum bits or something like that they chew more so they don't learn that habit. So in some cases, I think horses grind because they're concentrating. And other times, you can listen to it if it's really specific, and you can correlate and track a consistency. Maybe the horse has some pain, but I'm a fan that I don't really listen that much to the grinding. I think when you pay attention to it, it becomes worse in some cases. I just try to give gum bits and keep going and see what's up sometimes and go through that stage. But again, I don't have a black and white answer on that one.
And to add a judge's point of view, it used to be considered a problem with the grinding of teeth. Whenever you heard it, we finally got smarter. And of course, the trainers know that what Scott just said is very true. A horse can sometimes go better when it's grinding his teeth. That's when he really gets into the work. And usually, it goes away. When the horse is a little tense about one movement, he will do it. And 6 months later, he's comfortable at that movement, and the grinding just stops. But if you let it bother you when you ride, and you get tense because they do it, then they tend to play it against you. So both judges and riders can somewhat ignore it unless, as Scott said, you think it's pain-related at some specific movement.
No, I totally agree with that. I think a lot of times when you're starting a horse and you're starting to put a little more pressure, a little more intense training, then those kind of things show up for a short period of time. But I agree. A lot of times if you ignore it and go ahead and just go about your business, it usually resolves itself. And there are going to be horses that are just teeth grinders, but that is something that, you know, we hear it. If you ever go to the big shows in Europe, there's a lot of horses that grind their teeth that are doing very well. So it's not something we love, but something that not always can be fixed.